I visited the world's fanciest McDonald's in Hong Kong.
Oh,
Here you go, Mo. You get all the boxes you want over there.
It's a fast food type of show.
7 things that surprised me the most. Oh, there's probably some cool items over there, I would guess. Because McDonald's does it regional. Oh, look, it's like a salad bar going on over there.
Whoa. So is it like a buffet type?
I think you can just see the ingredients.
Yeah, it's kind of like a Subway setup.
Build your own salad bar and offered sleek, chic-looking menus to customers. The service reminded me of a quality restaurant, and the elegant interior felt very fancy. Hong Kong's version of popular American fast food chains are sometimes better than the original ones in the U.S. For example, the city is famously home to the McDonald's Next concept, a version of the fast food franchise that strives to be modern and progressive. I visited the location. Here are 7 things that surprised me. The build your own salad bar was one of the first things I noticed. I like DIY. What do you guys think? You know, you could go to some burger places and all the ingredients are right there, and then you say, I want that and I want that. Do you like to see that?
Yeah, but where do they do that? Oh, Harvey's.
Mm-hmm. I think it's probably other places they would do it. Well, like let's even talk about, for example, the open kitchen concept. Like seeing where your food's being prepared.
Kind of like Burger's Priest.
Right.
Yeah.
Or other restaurants. I mean, all types of restaurants have attempted it.
Mm-hmm.
I was watching Kitchen Nightmares the other day, and one of the suggestions was a table right in the kitchen. Chef's table or something. I don't know. And I don't know what it is, but it would be one table you could reserve and you could watch everything transpire.
They're cooking around you?
Yes. You're in the kitchen.
You know what? That's kind of cool.
It's pretty intense. Like, it's almost like entertainment.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, where did we go with Brad Hall? Like, long time ago, where it was like the kitchen was literally like right beside us.
In the middle of the
Gio's.
restaurant?
You were in like the like a closed room at the back? Or like a separate room at the back?
No, it was open. Italian restaurant?
Yeah, I think
No, you're talking about many times ago. He's talking most recently.
Oh,
Pasta
okay.
Fazoli's or something? I don't know.
So the kitchen was in the middle of the restaurant?
No. It was just open. Like, there was no doors. Chefs were just cooking.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Shout out Ryan and shout out Perfect Image. Modeled after Chipotle's fast casual concept. Oh, Chipotle, of course. You see everything.
Right, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The build your own salad bar has 19 ingredients, including different types of greens, quinoa, and sauces. Customers can take a few minutes to build their own salads while waiting for their made-to-order burgers. Look at these burgers. Look at the toppings you put on. Look at that bun.
Wow.
You never
Look
had
at
a
that
bun
bun.
like you never have a bun like that.
Oh, that's a cool bun.
Create your taste kiosks. Well, they experimented with this in North America, creating your own burger and having tons of flexibility over it.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, because I did a video with McDonald's ages ago in Manhattan, and it was they unveiled the very first kiosk, and they had high-end burgers. But I think they kind of said what the guy previously about Arby's said. It was introducing too much complexity for their employees, and then wait times were suffering, and investors were upset, I guess. I don't know. So anyway, I create your own burger, fancy selections. It looks like they also have curly fries at McDonald's. Yeah, create your taste. I swear it almost looked exactly like that. And, but do they have any unexpected regional items?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I can see that now. It looks like they got a coffee. They got cold brew, but they're serving it in like a wine glass. Look at that.
Oh.
They had pizza and tiramisu. Get out of here. All right, let's go to Hong Kong then.
Right.
Let's go to Hong Kong. And then the service, you sit down and they bring it to you. It was the same. When I did the video on the place that's exactly the same.
They brought it to you?
Yeah, you get a little transponder and
It actually looks better.
it looks amazing.
Burgers
That looks great.
with the little flag.
Yeah.
Cute character.
Inside a box.
Awesome.
Yeah. Cool.
How are things going with your Discord over there, Will? Francis says, I can't wait for the Discord.
We'll make it work.
I thought you already did it, though.
I did. Yeah.
So what's the problem? Why can't Francis
We
get in
need
there?
mods. We don't want raids.
So why can't we get
Raids.
mods? I feel like we could do that.
Well, yeah, I gotta,
That's all right, Will. No, it's okay. It's okay.
it's a lot of work.
Okay.
You're asking me a lot.
Every time I bring this up,
He gets a little defensive.
holy cow, he's
Well,
ready to jump over there and just wring my neck out.
Well, he's doing the work.
I'm just repeating what somebody said in the chat.
I think there's a lot of stuff that's coming down the pipe, working with Fotis as well.
All right. Well, you heard it here.